let's look at a way to override the output of a formula with manual data. So here in my spreadsheet, I have this fake statement of accounts. Dates, which account it came from, the location of the transaction, and then here I have this formula that's doing an output. So over here, I just have basic categories, the locations, and then the expected descriptions. So that's what's filling out here. However, some of these, the user has come through and said, hey, that's actually not shopping, that is actually office supplies. That's not blank, that's an app store purchase. That's not just travel, that's business travel. So what we want to do is in this final column, I want to put the manual override if there is one, and otherwise the auto output. And that's literally going to be the logic I'm going to use. I'm going to say equals if length, which just says if something exists in cell E2, then return E2. Otherwise, return D2. So this is literally just going to say if there's anything in cell E2, return cell E2. If cell E2 is blank, return D2. Or in words, if there's something in the manual column, show us that. If there's not, give us the thing from auto. It's going to give me the suggestion to autofill. I'm going to go ahead and take that. And just like that, we can see it properly does that for every single row all the way down. I could put this into a map function with Lambda, but the logic here is what's important. If you need to have two columns and then two columns of data and one column that's taking some correct version of those data, go ahead and use this logic. If there's anything in the manual, use that. If there's not, use the auto.